No rush. We'll bring you back, one quiet step at a time.
Okay, first reveal. Let's see what you've been through.
That's a decade of dust. Let's peel back the story.
These wheels are the worst part within, but listen to that. Then it's dust turning into clean water. There it is, the first clean glimpse under all that grime.
Foam bath first. Let the grime loosen on its own. Every badge edge hides dirt. We brush it out quietly.
Mirrors and handles, the tiny corners make the biggest difference.
This before and after is the reward. Clean wheel wells make everything look new. Before we perfect the outside, we clean what you never see. Just a light mist, cleaning the bay without soaking anything.
Brush the lettering gently. Every groove gets a fresh start. Clean, dark, and factory fresh.
A steady charge. We wake it up the safe way. Fluids checked, no guessing, just clean and correct. 2 buckets, grit guards, woo, we wash it like it matters. Straight lines only, clean mitt, gentle pressure. Soot stains are stubborn, and we lift them slowly, not aggressively.
Cheating rinse, fewer drops, easier drying. Air first, push the water out of every gap.
Slow pull, no pressure, just a clean, dry finish. Next is clay. Smooth paint starts with clean paint. Feel that. The roughness disappears with every pass. Pad primed, now we cut the haze and bring back clarity.
Door next. Keep it flat, keep it steady. Inspection light doesn't lie. The swirls are almost gone.
Welcome back. You still have miles of beauty left.
All clean, now go do what a Porsche was built to do.